Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be perennially lucky, always stumbling upon great opportunities or having things miraculously work out in their favor? Is it mere coincidence or is there more to it? Today we journey into the heart of this intriguing subject, delving into concrete steps that could help turn the tide of fortune in your favor. Remember, a mind filled with positive thoughts acts as a magnet for good luck. Make it a daily habit to practice gratitude, focus on the silver linings, and surround yourself with positivity. Remember, when you know exactly where you want to go, you're more likely to encounter opportunities that can help you get there. So, get those goals down on paper and break them into manageable tasks. Knowledge, skills, and readiness can often make the difference when opportunity knocks. So stay informed, keep learning, and be ready to seize the moment when it comes. You see, fortune often favors the brave. Assess your risks, step out of your comfort zone, and remember that every great opportunity often comes with a degree of uncertainty. Luck often finds its way through connections and collaborations, so engage with communities, nurture relationships, and remember, every conversation could be a doorway to an unexpected opportunity. Success or failure, each one has lessons to offer. Reflect on them, adapt your approach, and use these insights to navigate future opportunities. In summary, cultivating good luck is about fostering a positive mindset, defining clear goals, staying prepared, taking calculated risks, building a network, and learning from every experience. Remember, luck isn't about waiting for good things to happen. It's about creating the right conditions for success. So here's to you cultivating your own good fortune and living a luckier, happier life. May the odds be ever in your favor.